Hi friends, good day and welcome to another episode of Sunday. Today we're going to learn how to use the Control Enter shortcut key to apply formula application across various adjacent or non-adjacent cells and how that helps us in Excel. Without much ado, let's go ahead and get started on it. I'm sure you've come across a lot of data or reports, etc., wherein you have the the data scattered or a lot of blank information within that, which has to be populated with similar information, right? And this is where Control Enter can help you. Uh, so in this example, I have a column of country and store, wherein it's just uh, populated at the first cell and everything below it being blank. And I do want each of these cells to be populated with the same reference data, in this case, the country and the store reference itself. So we're going to see how to use the Control Enter. I'm going to select both my columns over here and then come to go to special as you see it. I'm going to select my blanks because I want to select only my blank cells in here, and my active cell now is B3. Um, that what I do want is the cell above me, my active cell to be referenced because I want Bangalore over there in this particular cell, but I also want Chennai in cell B9 or in India in A3, etc. Right? So we're just going to use the same formula over there. And once I have done that, as I see now, all I'm going to do is hit Control Enter, and the same formula gets applied to each of the cells across the column, right? So this is really where it is helpful in doing it. You know, you just have the entire column getting populated at one go using the Control Enter function as such. Um, Now, the previous video, we did learn how to use the unique formula function, and I'm going to use that to see how what my sales were against each of the stores out there. So I'm going to select all my four cells out here, as you see, and I do want a sum if across my each store. So I'm going to select my range in here. My criteria is the city, and I want the sales data as well. Now, once I have done that, again, I will hit the Control Enter itself, and you see all my four cells have been populated with the same formula um, by itself. Uh, Taking it a little further, assuming that the cells are not very adjacent or have are scattered across in here, I will do the same thing here, right? I'm going to select these two cells, non-adjacent cells, to be precise, and try to use the same formula. I want to know what my sales are for each country out here. So I'm going to select my data range, my criteria, and my sum range as well. Again, I'm going to hit Control Enter, not only Enter, because if I hit Enter, it will go back to the other selected cell. But when I do Control Enter, it will apply the formula to the other cell as well. So these are some of the scenarios and cases you've seen where Control Enter can be helpful to use. Uh, I do hope you found this useful, and take care. Have a good day. Thank you.